Yes.
Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the transfer. So transfer is nothing but moving from one place to another place in the same organization. So this is called as a transfer. Transfer may be a request by the person or a company or their expertise. So this is called as a transfer. In human resource management, the transfer is a must for every organization because the organization started and functioning. So the organization decided to start another branch. So at that time, the expertise employees needed by the another branch. So that time, the organization or the management decided to here expertise people can be transferred from the new branches because this person's expertise knowledge utilized by that organization. So that is called types of transfer. Here, lateral transfer and vertical transfer. Lateral transfer is nothing but moving from the present place to additional places going to the that is called as a lateral promotion. So transfer. Vertical transfer is nothing but it may be a high position or a low position, the same responsibilities and same authorities. This is called as the vertical transfer. So reason for transfer. Why we are transferring the people? The first one is an employee development. Because the employee is expected to develop their knowledge, skills and abilities by the new challenges in the organization. So the employees needs the development, they have some challenges and opportunities that will be utilized in the transfer when we go for another places. Next one, business needs. So the organization is needed by the person's expertise and skills by their organization, another organization. Here the organization only transferring the people from this organization to another organization with the same management. The next one, employee request. Because some employees are requesting the management to transfer their new branches because they have to develop their self and they have to utilize their expertise. They have to adopt the challenges and complete their work. So based on the employee request, the organization or the management have to decide whether this people expertise will be applicable in new organization or not. After that, the company also decided based on the employee's request, the company is accepted. This is a reason for transferring from one place to another place. The next one, what are the benefits of transfer gained by the organization and also individual? The first one, increased job satisfaction. So every organization have to satisfy their employees as well as employees also satisfied by their rendering services, rendering work commitment. Everything will be satisfaction. For example, an employee satisfied means not only a job oriented, not only a salary oriented. So the organization have a mutual relationship between the employer and the employee, employee and the employee. So when the organization is a smooth functioning, it's automatically the company have to get benefits and also every individual have to contribute their work in an organization. So that time increase the job satisfaction because the employee request they are transferring the placements at that time they have to satisfy. The next one, improve the skills because here lower level. So the organization is transferring the another places means they have to take chances to exhibit their talents and skills and abilities. So that time every employee when we get a transfer means we have to improve our skills. So we have to exhibit our skills. So this is an opportunity for an individual to exhibit their skills. Next one, retention. So the organization have to retain the employees because their knowledge, their skills, their abilities, everything will be utilized by the organization properly. So the organization need to change their places to rendering services to the organization. The next one, challenges of transfer. What are the challenges of transfer means? First one, adjustment period. When we go for a new places means we have to adapt some time. We have to adapt the place, environment, new employees, colleagues and also in and around the areas. So this will be need some time to adjust the employees. So this is called as the adjustment period. We have to take some period. The next one, training and support. When we go for a transfer, we have to work according to the company is given a job oriented. Job description. What is the job duty? what is the responsibility, what we have to train, what type of training we needed, and the training will be supported to whom, everything should be analyzed in the transfer. The next one, communication. Communication is nothing but we have to clearly communicate the messages to the employees. The management have to support everything, should convey the messages to all the people. Communication is nothing but transferring the information from one person to another. Means here the management have to transfer information to the particular employees. The employees have to work accordingly. So these are all the coming under the transfer. Thank you.